Hello dear listener. If you listen these affirmations every day, your mind will change. You will become more confident, strong and positive. Just few minutes each morning with belief can transform your thoughts and your life. Are you ready? Before beginning, let me clarify. No need to stay calm. Just do your work listening these affirmations. These will transform your life completely. Let's begin. I am abundant in opportunities. I am an achiever in every task I take. I am always positive and optimistic. I am adaptable to every situation. I am ambitious and focused. I am brave and face challenges fearlessly. I believe in my abilities completely. I am balanced in thoughts and actions. I bring positivity to everyone around me. I am bold in taking decisions. I am confident in myself and my skills. I am calm and composed in every situation. I am creative and innovative. I choose happiness and peace every day. I am courageous in pursuing my goals. I am disciplined in my work and life. I am determined to succeed in all I do. I deserve success and happiness. I am diligent and focused on my tasks. I delight in learning new things. I am energetic and full of vitality. I am enthusiastic about every new day. I am excellent in my all efforts. I embrace challenges as opportunities. I am evolving and growing every day. I am focused on my priorities. I have faith in my abilities. I am free from doubts and fears. I forgive myself and others easily. I am fearless in pursuing my dreams. I am growing stronger every day. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am generous and kind-hearted. I am guided by wisdom and clarity. I embrace my greatness with humility. I am happy and content in this moment. I am in harmony with myself and others. I have hope and optimism for the future. I am healthy in body, mind, and spirit. I am honest and trustworthy. I inspire others with my words and actions. I am in control of my emotions. I am intelligent and make wise choices. I am improving myself every day. I am independent and self-reliant. I am joyful in every situation. I am just and fair in my decisions. I enjoy my journey towards success. I am jubilant and full of life. I embrace every moment with gratitude. I am knowledgeable and always learning. I am kind to myself and others. I am keen to grow and achieve. I keep positive attitude always. I am a keeper of my values. I am loving and compassionate. I am a leader in my own life. I learn from every experience. I am limitless in my potential. I am loyal to my goals and purpose. I am motivated and persistent. I am mindful and present in every moment. I master my thoughts and emotions. I am magnificent in all that I do. I manifest success with my efforts. I am noble in thoughts and actions. I nurture myself and my dreams. I live fully in the present moment. I am naturally confident. I am needed and valued. I am optimistic about life. I see opportunity in every challenge. I am original and authentic. I overcome obstacles with ease. I am open to learning and growth. I am powerful and capable. I am patient in achieving my goals. I persist until I succeed. I am passionate about my purpose. I am proud of myself every day. I deliver quality in everything I do. I am on a quest for excellence. I cultivate inner quiet and peace. I am quick to learn and adapt. I am a questioner seeking truth. I am resilient and never give up. I respect myself and others. I radiate positivity and love. I am resourceful and smart. I recover quickly from setbacks. I am strong in body, mind, and spirit. I am successful in all my endeavors. I love and accept myself completely. I am sincere in all I do. I am safe and protected. I trust the process of life. I am unstoppable. I transform challenges into opportunities. I am thankful for everything I have. I think positively in every moment.